Hey, Mr. Thayer from the Syracuse Academy of Science and Citizenship back with another third grade lesson. Today, Module 2, Lesson 5, we're going to solve word problems involving time intervals within 1 hour by adding and subtracting. All right, so we're going to look at two problems today in particular, and we're going to use those number lines to figure out some times. And what you're going to see is that you could just use the basic math strategies of adding and subtracting to kind of get your answer, but I want to show how to break it down using a number line and walking through the steps just in case you're not aware of it. So the lesson is just kind of understand what's going on using that number line and plotting the points and just kind of working through it. So I have two problems that I want to tackle today. And our first one says Cole reads, let me fix that up there. There we go. Cole reads his book for 25 minutes yesterday and 28 minutes today. How many minutes did he read? And I know some of you are already in your mind going, well, I know how to solve that. I can, kind of do some stuff. I can put some things together. But let's put it up on the number line first and then figure it out. So we're going to plot. What I'm going to do, how I'm going to attack this is I'm going to plot that first part of 25 minutes where he started to read. And then from there, I'm just going to kind of count up and go 28 minutes past that. So first things first is first 25 minutes. I have my number line from 0 to 60 here. So 25, we know, is between 20 and 30. So this is where Cole started reading at 25 right there. Okay? So how we're going to attack this now is he read for 25 minutes yesterday and 28 minutes today. So we're going to go from the 25 and we're just going to move up. We're going to go up 28 from there. 28, okay? So I'm here on the 25. So 10 more. Let's see. So we got to go up 28. So 10 more from 25 would bring me to 35. So that's 10 more minutes. Okay? And another 10 we'd go from 35 all the way to 45. Okay? All right, so I'm at 45 right here. And then so that's 20. So I got to get 8 more minutes in there. So from here to here is 5 more minutes. So that's 25. And then in here, I have to go 1, 2, 3, which will get me to 8, which will get me to my 28 minutes. So on that timeline, on my number line, I know I count 10 minutes, 10 minutes, 5 minutes, and then 3 more minutes would bring me right here to 53. Okay? So, Cole read for a total time of 53 minutes. And all I did was I went from 25. I knew that's what he read the first time. And then I counted up to 28. Like I said, 10, 10, 5, and 3. And I got to this endpoint of 53. Okay, so that's just using the number line, plotting the point, and then just kind of moving 28 more minutes to get to 53, which is how much time Cole read for. If I really wanted to break it down simply, I could have said 25 the first day, 28 the second day, and I added them up. 8 and 5 is 13, carry the 1, 53 minutes. Okay? But, like I said, I wanted to use the number line to demonstrate and work through the problem. Okay? That's problem number 1, using that number line. Okay? Let's tackle one more problem here. And in this problem, it says, Tessa walks her dog for 47 minutes. Jeremiah walks his dog for 30 minutes. How many more minutes does Tessa walk her dog? Okay, so we can like I said, some of us are already in our math minds thinking, wow, I can solve this simply. I can just take some numbers and do some work with that, which is great. But what I like to do is I like to plot where we are on the number line and then kind of work from there. So we know Tessa walks her dog for 47 minutes. So let's find 47 here. So here's 40. This would be 45 right here, and then there's 50. So 45 is right here. And then let's get our tick marks in there. Remember, 4 tick marks. So 45, 46, 47. Okay, so there's Tessa right there. Tessa walks her dog for 47 minutes. We plotted that. Jeremiah walks his dog for 30 minutes. So that's an easy one. The plot is right there on 30. And there's Jeremiah. Okay? So you can see, here's Jeremiah, here's Tessa. That distance in between those marks right there represent how much longer Tessa walked her dog for. So if we can figure out the distance between here and here, we'll know how much longer Tessa, walked her dog for. So let's do it. Let's count by fives. We got 5, 10, 15. Okay? So we went 5, 5, and 5, 15. Okay? And then we have 2 tick marks here. 1, 2. So 5, 10, 15, 16, 17. Okay? So Tessa walked her dog 17 minutes more than Jeremiah did. Okay? And we just did a simple number line, and we figured that out. Like I said, if we really wanted to, we could just come down here and take 47 minutes that Tessa walked and 30 minutes that Jeremiah walked and just subtract them. 7 minus 0 is 7. 4 minus 3 is 1. And we would also get 17 minutes there. Okay? So I just wanted to show you how to use the number line and break things down. Like I said, sometimes it's easy to see, to just use the math facts and do the do the addition and do the subtraction. And then sometimes, you're in a pinch, put that number line out there, plot some points, and then kind of work from there. Okay? Head over to the exit ticket. You know the routine. I'll see you guys soon.